Hello you guys, CimplyCeCe here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my bathroom. Sorry, I'm thirsty. That water gone, but it's good. Okay, back to what I was saying, you guys. So today in this video, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm very excited about it. As you can see, we got this little long braid going on here. Looking all sister lock-ish, but clearly it's not. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. But before we jump into the video, I just want to say hello if you are new. My name is CiCe and welcome to my channel. Here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also documenting my sister lock journey. So if you're interested in anything, if you enjoy the video, please be sure to like it. Hit the notification bell. Once you subscribe, I pray you subscribe. It'd be good to subscribe. It's free to subscribe. And hit the notification bell, like I said, so you don't miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's jump into this braid action that we got going on here. Okay.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul.
So I don't know what this hair is called that I have, but I got it off of, she used to be Miss King K, but she's Kendra something, but I'll link her channel if you're interested in her. If you are in the sister lock community, you may follow her, although she doesn't have sister locks. I think they're micro locks. I don't know, but they look very similar. But anyway, she is where I got this hair from, and the hair is this hair. I ordered it off of Amazon. It is just one long, like, faux lock, like mini faux lock. You guys, I ordered 4 more packs of it. And in each pack that you order, it's about $30, and it comes with like 5 bundles that are this size. I haven't taken any out of this bundle. And this braid, I use one whole bundle for this braid, and I did it because I wanted it fairly long. But I will link all of that down in the description, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. So what we're gonna do is do some basic feed-in braids for our sister locks. So I did this first one, and I had to do it off camera because, you guys, I've never done this before, and I didn't know what my technique was, but I think I got it down, but we'll see. Let's hope I don't be struggling. And I hope my camera can get close enough so you guys can see it. So what I'm going to do is mist my hair with a little bit of water. Y'all know that's my best friend. And I don't need it really wet. I just want a little moisture so I can manipulate it without breakage. So let's start. For me, because I call them struggle edges, but they ain't gonna be struggling forever, but they struggling kind of right now, but they getting their strength up. But anywho, I want my braid to be close to my hairline because of that, and the fact that you guys know I have struggle edges and I have a lot of this frizz growing in, because you know they're gonna be little locks someday, so we gotta make room. And well, they already made room, they just showing up, so I want to cover them, and I did pretty good on this side. My secret to getting it close is finding a comfortable position for my hands. Let me raise you guys up one second. Okay guys, I'm trying my best. I hope y'all can get what I'm doing. So what I do is I'll find 3 braids like in the corner. So I'm gonna go with these 3 right here. Sorry I'm getting a little frizzy, but y'all can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with these 3, and it's the regular cornrow that I'm doing. And I want to keep my little sideburn out, and I'm gonna do a little perm ride on them tonight and let it curl the ends a little. So to mark that off, all I need to do is stick it under my glasses, and I don't grab it, so it's easy. So I'm gonna start with these 3, of course, combing the locks in the way I want to go. I'm going to tilt my head like this because that helps me. It's a comfortable position for my arms to keep my braid close to the hairline like I want it. So I don't know if I want to grab from here. I gotta hang it over my drawer, y'all. I'm sorry, this is a struggle. It is also probably like 10:30 at night, so bear with me. I'm tired, I'm out of sorts. I didn't plan this. I'm gonna leave it there. So what I do is I go in and I'm gonna just add 1 piece of the hair at a time. So it looks like this. And they are 18 inches. I do know that because the what I ordered, it said I ordered 18 inches. Yes, I wish they had longer hair. No, they don't have longer or shorter. It's only 18 inches so far. So we're gonna start the braid. And I'm just, like I said, doing like a regular cornrow. But instead of adding, I'm only gonna add my hair into the hair on this top side. Meaning, let me show you guys a little bit. So I'm gonna go in and I'll start my French braid. Oh God, y'all, I hope y'all can see this. I'll start my French braid and then, you know, tilt my head. I'm trying to stay in the camera and do this. And I will only grab hair from this side. So I won't add any hair. Like when I get over here, the only hair I will add on this side is this hair. I hope that makes sense. So when I'm on the outside of the braid, which is the part closest to my forehead, I add the extension hair. When I'm on the inside, which is opposite, so I'll add the extension and I go just under my finger and pinch it where these two are, and it stays there. And then I'm going to grab the other end of it on this side, and then we're going to just continue to braid. And then I'm going to take this part, add it in. Oh, I hope y'all can see this, y'all. I'm sorry if y'all can't. And then cornrow. Now we're back on the outside again. I'm going to add another extension. So I'm gonna just do this for a little bit and hopefully it makes sense. And if it doesn't, just ask me questions. It's not very complicated, so I don't mind doing it again for you guys if y'all really don't get it this first time. But it might be one of those things that it's easier for you to watch me do it than me trying to explain it. So I'm gonna be quiet and just try to do it. All right. Now, I will say a trick that is helping me with this is when I add the hair into my pincher right here, add that in, let that hang, pulling this one up and then catching it, because you want to catch it in that next little loop, works a lot and it keeps me from dropping it. So that's a little trick that I've learned just in this short amount of time that helps. Yeah, those look more even. They look so good. They look so much like the Sisterlocks. That's pretty cool. And the hairs that are sticking out, don't worry about it. I have a trick for those.
gracious to the Lord, turn his face toward you and give.
And I just have one left, so I'm just gonna add that in. And then we're gonna braid this down.
And keep you, make his face shine upon you, be gracious to the Lord, turn his face toward you and give you peace. Amen.
And fuller. So on the ends here, you guys, I'm going to just take one of the extended locks and just, hold on. Some of these really short ones, I'm gonna just cut them off because they irritate myself. Okay, so here at the end of the lock, I'm going to take an extended lock and just wrap it around and hide the rubber band. And I'm gonna just tie it off like I do lock styles when I do them for clients. So these are the two braids. Now, y'all excuse the lack of professionalism in this video. And do I look like I did on this for the first time? Because I am. Okay. So, now what we're going to do, I'm going to grab my secret tool and my magic weapon. If you guessed it right, comment down below. Hold on, they're going to fall. Hairpins. Yay. Get some hairpins. Because we have, and I'm going to readjust y'all so y'all can see. Okay, so you guys, so we have some stuff peeking out. I don't mind it so much. The braid looks pretty good. Let me check the mirror. Okay, so we have these little pieces sticking out, and I can tell that these are my real locks, like these, because, I mean, I ain't never did this, so it's hard for me to tuck it. But what I'm going to do, going off my first braid, I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to just stick a hairpin in, you guys, and tuck the ends in, okay? We just gonna go in. I'm sit on my counter. Don't judge me. And like I'm going to grab this hair and I'm just going to find the ends of it as best I can and tuck my hairpin in to just hold it down like that. Get you a lot. I'm using the shorter ones, not the long ones, because I use both. But I'm using the shorter ones so they're not sticking out of the braid and stuff. They hide really good and they grip really well. So I'm just going to tuck those in so it can look a bit neater. I'm gonna lay my edges and then I'm gonna give y'all the final reveal, okay? Okay guys, I'm back again because I don't want the curl to be too big. I watched a girl on YouTube a while ago like curl her hair with bobby pins or something. She always curls her hair with like really unexpected items. And I don't know, I was like, I really want the curl to be tight to look like natural. So what I'm doing is I slide the bobby pin through, and I don't know if this is how she did it or not. I didn't look to check, but I just used my hairstyling logic and decided this is what I was going to do. So yeah, let's do it. So I just put this in here and then I start to roll it back this way, just rolling it up. And I don't mind rolling it up pretty tight because I know it's gonna fall. And pushing it down. Then I wrap it around and I put the hair in between and push it down. So I got these two bobby pins in there or whatever. And I'll do it again in detail if it actually worked. Let me take this one down so I can see what it's doing prematurely. Oh shoot. Okay, you just slide it out and unroll it down like this. And I'll try to show y'all again. I just want to see. Yeah, that's going to be more of what I'm looking for. Yeah, like when it's hanging. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you on this side because I feel like I'll do it a little better on this side. So I just mixed it with some water. Y'all know that's my best friend. Water. And then open it up. So I'm going to open the hairpin like so. I'm going to slide the Sisterlock through the hairpin like this. Yes, it will drop out, but now as you can see, it's hanging on my Sisterlock. And then I'm going to just roll it, start rolling it, holding the tip a little bit until it overlaps itself. Let's try it again. Open the hairpin. I mean the bobby pin. It's not a hairpin, it's a bobby pin. And I'm going to roll it. Just roll it up, and it's small, so I'm sorry y'all can't really see. But we're gonna roll it up like that. Then we're gonna push it down, and we're gonna roll it up some more, and some more, and some more until it gets up here with this one. And then when I get to the end, I go around, and then instead of wrapping it the last time, I'm gonna go in between, and then we're gonna end up with that. And now that one looks short. Hold on, let me take the curl down some. I don't want them to be uneven. So we're gonna wrap it here and then push it in the middle. And then we end up with something like that. So, and it's not so bothersome. I think I could sleep better. So I'm gonna wrap my hair up and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. So guys, it's bedtime now. And I'm gonna get a little jazzy in the morning for y'all so I can try to sell this hairstyle. Cause if y'all like, I don't know, I'm on the fence, wait until the morning. Okay. All right, I'm about to go to bed. I'm really